Hello everyone, it's me Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials, and today I'll show you this type of real estate creative social media design, and that is literally easy to do that, and that is fun. So let's start the tutorial. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. So going to the file at first, going to the new options, taking an artboard which is like tutorial, and here the pixel density 300. I'm taking 300 because of when it's publishing in web, it giving you the better resolution, which is really cool. And hit the create button. You're getting a blank layer or blank artboard, whatever you can tell. And after that we'll take a color from here, the solid color, because of if we take solid color we have that option to change it up in any times. So taking this type of pastel color, that's good for me. And then taking another blank layer and then going to the brush options, from here making this one white. If you don't get the black and white, press D from the keyboard, it will reset, and then you can just press the X, you can get the white color. And to make the size of the brush, you can increase by pressing third bracket opening and closing, just click once, and then you can make this one into the middle of the artboard. That's good. And then going to the file and going to the place embedded options, from here taking the floating like land, making this one a little bit smaller like this. That's good. Right press, restyle as the layer, rename this one like land. That's good. And after that, going to the file and going to the place embedded options, from here I downloaded some PNG images from the website. From that I'm taking this one, making this one smaller and fit with that. So here is some challenges, because of you have to cover up all the land top of the floating portion, so you have to make this one like this actually. And after that you can brush it out, just press enter, and now rename this one like building or something, whatever you can do. After that, here you have to mask it out. Before that, restyle as the layer, mask it out. After masking that, taking the brush which is the soft brush and make the radius or the size of the brush smaller, okay, and then just brush it up. So brush carefully when you are doing that. You have to be careful, because of don't brush it up too much, otherwise it could be spoiled your merge or like blendings. So little bit of brushes, okay, that's fine, just making it like that. So number 3, making this one group and building, that's good. And then press Ctrl or Command T, making this one a little bit downside and like that. Now the shadow portion, downside the shadow, and here is light like okay, press Ctrl or Command T, making this one a little bit bigger, just because of it is like flaring up from the background. And then here taking another blank layer and then making this one black. After making black, just press once, it will provide you the black color shadow. Press the shift, or you can stretch it up and making this one to downside of the all layers. Make the opacity like 50 or 40%, that's cool for me, that's nice. And going to the file again and going to the place embedded options, from here the cloud version, taking this one into the smallest and rename this one. Don't forget to rename, because of when you are want to edit any kind of layer, if you get the rename or color, it will help you out in future. So giving here cloud, that's good. And then press Alt option button, making another copy, make this one a little bit of smaller, because of this one is bigger and is smaller, that is the combination of these. And then Going to file and place embedded options. Here some BART PNGs. You can find it out in internet or Google. You will get easily giving the name BART. That's good. Okay, our 70% work is done, and now going to the text and logos, everything. And here another thing is that like leaves, those are the floating leaves, and making this one a little bit smaller because of it gives you the vibes which is like natural like this, and make it horizontal. That's fine. And now the challenging thing is that you have to match the color with the background. Okay, and then just taking the color balance from here, making this one mask only, it will affect in this layer, that means the leaves layer, and making this one like this type of green which is really match with the background green. That's good. And then we'll take another one which is the photo filter, and take this one a little bit of green. It will match all the colors of your layers. Okay, that's fine. And you can change it up actually. So we should take this type of green, whichever do you like actually. It's really up to you which one is perfect. It depends on your eyes actually. Okay, nice. And saving this up, don't forget to save it out because of it could be like spoil when you're like electricity might be gone, or it might be crashed, whatever, any sort of situation happened. Okay, going to the file and place embedded options. From here is some demo logo. I just got this one little bit of fun type things, which is the Autodesk, which is not really real estate type things. And here is some challenges because of the white thing is good for this one. We have to make this portion only, the write up portion, into white. So we have options to do that. So going to the any sort of selection tool or going to the pen tool, it's easier to me because of you can select this one like this. So select this and right press and make selection and hit OK. Press Ctrl or Command J, right press and blending options, color overlay. You can make this one easily white and merge it out. So this one is our logo. That's good. And this one is our leaves. LVS. I do like to use the short name because of you know that the laziest way of the creative peoples, that is the common scenario of all creatives. Okay, that's good. And some write downs up there. So going to the file and place embedded options, and from here we have some icons. I'll provide with all the download links in my video description, please check it out. So just placing this one according to the alignment of the left side and making this one upper side, right press, blending options, making this one color balance, color overlay, actually the white color and normal mode. That's good. And text, which is the font Junia, and making this one a little bit smaller, like any sort of text. That's good. And going to the text tool, paragraph should be like this, and the gap between two lines should be automatic, or you can make this one like 5. That's good. And hit the tick button and make the color white and press Ctrl or Command T. You can just place it over there, or you can make this one a little bit smaller. You know that the icon should be bigger. Okay, that's good. Nice. And now time to write down something big, which is the dream home. So like this. And the paragraph style will be right side. Press Ctrl Command T, a little bit of bigger like this. That's good. So we have the things, we have to make this one into alignment actually though. So footer, that is, and press Ctrl or Command A, making this one into middle of the artboard. That's fine. And now the subtle things that takes like that line text. So here is another technique to do that. I am using Illustrator actually over here, so that is good for me. Going to the text tool, write down that things, the dream home. Okay, making this one a little bit of bigger size, or this sort of size, or you can take square shape. That's good, and make this one like this. So I want to provide this one into this, so making this one is smaller by pressing shift or like that, and press Alt or Option button and make this one another copy of this. That's good, and that's good. That's nice. So this is our guideline, right place. Select this one, right place, and you can make this one guidelines, make guidelines. And now selecting these two things, right press or create outline, this one, making this one stroke mode, giving this one 2pt, or that's good, and Alt or Option button, copy one thing, press Ctrl or Command D, you can fill it up like this. So we got this one properly like that. Okay, copy this one and making or selecting this color, actually this one, Ctrl or Command V, actually V is for paste, and now we'll make the opacity down like 20% or 10%. That's good. And now we'll use some like vignetting. Going to the gradient options, select the gradient which is the radial, reverse this one, make the scale like 300. That's good. Our design is ready now. So here everything is good. So in this portion we are getting some overlapping issue in this portion. So for that you can just make the opacity a little bit or down, subtle things, and you have to match with that. You know that that is the common issue and common techniques. And saving these files. After that, going to the file and save, copy as, and then make this one JPEG, and you can post it out in your any sort of social media or portfolio, and you can send it to your client. So hope that you learned a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'm Arif signing out today. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers. Bye bye.